Hello students, in this video we do chapter 2 numerical applications exercise 1C from the student support material uploaded by CBSE. Question number 6. 100 persons begin to work on a project which was expected to be completed in 40 days, but after few days 40 persons left. After few days, as a result, the project got delayed by 10 days. They're supposed to complete the work in 40 days. Because few people left, the project got completed in 50 days. 10 more days they had to work. How many days after the commencement of the project did the 40% left? So let us take it as X days. After X days, 40 people left. Now total work to be completed. What is the total work to be completed? So total work is manpower. How many people are working? 100. And how many days? 40 days. So that much work is there. The total work is 100 into 40 days. Some project work to be completed is 100 into 40. 100 people are working for 40 days. That much work is to be done. But what happened here? After X days, 40 people left. So these 40 people worked only for X days. They worked only from here to here. After this, they just left. So they worked only for 40 into X days. So work done by these people, 40 people is 40 into X. 40 people worked for X days. Some work is done. But the work is not completed. Total work is 100 into 40. They have to work for 40 days. But because these people left, the remaining how many are there? 40 people left. So remaining 60%, 60 people are there. Now they worked for 50 days. So totally this is 40 into X, because 40 people work for X days. The remaining 60 people work for 50 days. The work is completed. This is the total work. 100 into 40 is the total work. This is split into 2. That is 40 people worked for X days and 60 people worked for all the 50 days. So now you just equate these two. So you get 4000 is 40x plus 3000. So 4000 minus 3000 is 1000 is equal to 40x. So x is equal to 1000 by 40. So 100 by 4, 25 days. So that means how many days after the commencement of the project did the 40 people left? After X days. After X days. So that means after 25 days, 40 people left. The efficiency of XYZ, again this efficiency sum. The efficiency, it is not the number of days they work. Okay, the efficiency of the people to finish a work is in the ratio 3:2:6. If they work together, they can finish it in 2 hours. Find the time taken by them if they do the task individually. So if they work together, 2 hours. Find the time taken by them if they work individually. So again the total work done, if the efficiency, this is not the number of days they work, is the efficiency. So Z is more efficient actually, 6 times than this. Okay, it says 3:2:6. It is not the number of days they complete, it is the efficiency of them. So total work done is total efficiency into the time taken. Okay, so what is the total work done? Total efficiency, just add this 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6, 11. Into the time taken is 2. The total work done is 22 altogether. They work together, 22 units of work. Depending on the work, 2 units of work is done by them. So what is the time taken by X? So what is the time taken by X? The time taken, the time formula is, if the efficiency is given, it is the work done by the efficiency of X. Time taken by X, time taken by X is work done by the efficiency. This is not total efficiency now, efficiency of X. So what is the total work? 22 by what is the efficiency of X? 3. So 22 by 3. 22 by 3 is 7, 1 by 3 hours. 7 into 3, 21 plus 22. 21 plus 1, 22. So you can write 7 1 by 3 hours, or 1 by 3 you convert into minutes. So multiply by 60. 1 by 3 this fraction. Multiply by 60. So you get 20 minutes. So 7 hours and 20 minutes X will take. Now what about Y? What is the work done again? Total work is 22. By what is the efficiency of Y given? 2. So 22 by 2 is 11 hours. So Y will take 11 hours to complete the work. What is the time taken by Z? So total work is 22 units divided by Z's efficiency is 6. So 22 by 6 is 11 by 3. So it means 2 by 3 hours. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 by 3 is this. So once again 2 by 3, if you want to convert into minutes, multiply 2 by 3 into 60. So 320, that is 40 minutes. 3 hours and 40 minutes. So the time taken by Z is 3 hours and 40 minutes. Time taken by Y is 11 hours. Time taken by X is 7 hours and 20 minutes. So you can see that Z is taking only 3 hours. Z is more efficient. Next one, 8th one. A is three times as efficient as B. So take the number of days. A is 3 times as efficient as B means if A takes X days to complete a work into 3, multiply by 3, write it here. So number of days for B to complete is 3x. A is more efficient. A will finish in X days. B will finish in 3x days. Now A takes 30 days less than B. That means 3x minus x is 30. A is this is x. X is 30 days less than B. That is 3x minus 30. That's what is given. A takes 30 days less than B. So A is x. B is 3x. So 3x minus 30 is A. So that means the difference, that is the difference between A and B is 30. That's what is given. 3x minus x is 30. So 2x is 30, x is 15. So A takes 15 days and B will take 45 days. So individually they asked. Individually A will take 15 days, B will take 45 days. A is more efficient, so A will complete in 15 days. B will take 45 days. If they work together, now whenever they say work together, you can always use this formula. Total number of days if they work together is P. P formula is M into N. M into N by M plus N. So 15 into 45. A is 15, B is 45 by 15 plus 45. So 15 plus 45 is 60. 15 4 times. 45 by 4 is 11 1 by 4. 11 1 by 4 days. It is days. So days if you want to convert into hours. So you know 1 day is 24 hours. So 1 by 4 day will be how many hours? 1 by 4 into 24, 6 hours. So it's 11 days and 6 hours. If they work together, it will take 11 days and 6 hours. If they work separately, 30 and 45 days. But if they work together, it will take only 11 days and 6 hours. Question number 9. Machine P is 40% more efficient than B. Again, efficiency is sum, but it is given in terms of percentage. P can make 100 bags, some work. This is making 100 bags in 30 hours. Find the time taken to complete the order if both the machines work together. So again, P instead of taking as X, okay, 40% efficiency sum, usually we take X and 2X, X and 3X. Here, take it as 100 because it's given in terms of percentage. So if P can complete a work in 100 hours, 40% more efficient means Q will take 140 hours. P is more efficient. P takes 100, Q will take 100 plus 40 hours. This is how you should do if it is given in terms of percentage. So you just take the ratio now. This get cancelled. So for 10 is to 14, that is 5 is to 7. So P takes 5, some constant, take it as X. P takes 5x hours and Q takes 7x hours, or K. You can take it as K also. P takes 5k hours and Q takes 7k hours, or 5x hours and Q takes 7 multiples of 5, maybe 2. So that means P takes 10 hours, Q takes 14 hours. So we are taking 5x hours and Q takes 7x hours. But P, the time taken by P is given 30 hours. That means 5x is given. P takes 30 hours. So 5x is given as 30. So x is 6. If x is 6, Q will be 7 into 6, that is 42 hours. So P takes 30 hours. 5x, P takes 5x. 5x is 30. Q takes 42 hours. So P takes 30 hours and Q takes 42 hours. But the question is not individually, if they work together. So if they work together, immediately you can use this formula. P is equal to m into n by m plus n. So 30 into 42 by 30 plus 42. 30 into 42 by 72. That means when you cancel the 6 12s are 6 7s are 42. 3 4s are 12. 3 10s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. So it is 35 by 2. If you cancel this, you get some 35 by 2 hours. So it is given in terms of hours. So 35 by 2 hours. 35 by 2 is nothing but 17 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means convert into minutes. 1 by 2 into 60. That gives you 30 minutes. So 17 hours and 30 minutes it will take if they work together. Question number 10. A corporate firm is running in loss. They had categorized their employees into 2 teams, Team A, Team B. The firm has funds to pay Team A for 21 days. If they work with the Team B, if Team B is working, the firm can pay for 28 days. Up to 28 days they can't pay. If they are working for Team A, they can pay for 21 days. The management has decided that they will allow both the teams to work together as long as they are having enough funds to pay them. Find out for how many days both the teams could work together. So they have to work together. So let us find out how many days they can work together. So number of days fund available for Team A. Number of days fund available for Team A. How many days fund? 21 days. Number of days fund available for B is 28 days. If they work together, the fund will be available for how many days? That's the question. So they work together, use the formula P is m into n by m plus n. So 21 into 28 by 21 plus 28. That when you cancel, you get 12. So it is equal to 12 days. So that means if both the teams could work together, the fund will be available for 12 days. How many days both the teams should work 12 days, 12 days. So that's the answer. Thank you.